Hello viewers, this is Aravinder Annai Arul channel welcomes you. How are you? In this video we have to see Security Exchange Board of India SEBI tightens norms to curb misuse of related party deals. In a move to promote greater transparency, SEBI has also sought enhanced and timely disclosures of related parties' transactions to audit committees, shareholders, and the exchanges. For more information, we shall go to inside the video. I kindly request all the viewers to watch this small video in full. Now we shall move to inside the video. Market regulator SEBI has tightened the regulations linked to related party transaction or RPTs in India Inc. A difficult issue for several domestic investors. The decision was taken post a board meet held on 28th September, and the new regime will come into force with effect from April 1st, 2022 unless specified otherwise in the fine print. In layman terms, a related party transaction is a transaction which takes place between two parties who hold a pre-existing connection prior to the transaction. For starters, the definition of related party has been expanded and will now include a. All persons or entities forming part of promoter group irrespective of their shareholding. B. Any person, entity holding equity shares in the listed entity as below, either directly or on a beneficial interest basis at any time during the immediately preceding financial year. B1. To the extent of 20% or more. B2. To the extent of 10% or more with effect from April 1st, 2023. Importantly, the SEBI board decided that prior approval of the shareholders of the listed entity shall be required for a material related parties transactions having threshold of lower of rupees 1000 crore or 10% of the consolidated annual turnover of the listed entity. Additionally, the new regulations have put greater onus on the audit committees of companies to scrutinize related parties transactions involving subsidiaries, and certain thresholds have been prescribed for the same. In a move to promote greater transparency, SEBI has also sought enhanced and timely disclosures of related party transactions to audit committees, shareholders, and the exchanges. Related party transactions have been an area of concern for investors and consequently SEBI for long. Despite SEBI putting in place regulations, there are still instances of abuse of related party transactions which escape the net by using subsidiaries. These fresh amendments are aimed at curbing this practice, said Amit Tandon, Managing Director of Proxy Advisory Firms IIAS. Related party transactions have been at the heart of several corporate disputes and arguments in India Inc. The bitter tussle between the promoters of Indigo Airlines, which broke out in 2019, is one of the recent high-profile examples. One promoter, namely Rakesh Gangwal, accused the other, Rahul Bhatia, of irregular related party transactions. Bhatia vehemently denied the same, saying the pacts were carried out on an arm's length basis. Related party transactions also stood out in corporate frauds at Satyam Computer Services and Jet Airways. Hello viewers, in this video you may know SEBI tightens norms to curb misuse of related party deals. If you are liking this video means kindly press the like button as well as share to your friends and relatives and make appropriate comments also. I kindly request all the viewers to subscribe this Aravinder and Arul channel. Thank you for watching this video in full. Once again, thank you very much.